to Chef Dawg. Remember, again, here at Chef Dawg, we review Costco food and then we taste it at the end and let you know what we think. So this one is sliced roasted turkey breasts with citrus herbs. Got that at Costco for $14.54. It's a simple meal. Sliced turkey. You can do sandwiches, salads, or just as your main dish. Tonight, that's what we're gonna do. I kept it in the freezer, and then I put it in the fridge the night before, so it's thawed itself out, and then here it is. So you probably wanna do the same. It says keep refrigerated. Okay, they come in pouches, and the instructions are, I've preheated this. I'm putting this on granite, so it won't burn it. It's a preheated package with juices and turkey, and it says to mix them both. Okay, so that's how much a package gets you. There's a little bit of juice in there, and really honestly, all you need to do is heat it up. Smells good. Smells really good, actually. You can see how that can be used for a lot of different things. Yeah, I want to separate them all so I make sure I get both sides of the turkey warm. Smells good. You can see it looks like the meat looks really good. And I don't know if they grade turkey in like they do beef. Now, hey, just a reminder for everybody, I'm actually not a chef. We've had comments as well, people, not quite sure. I'm a home builder for a living. Me and my kid, who's behind the camera, he's the one in charge. He's actually the CEO of Chef Dawg. So remember that when you make comments or anything else you're thinking, because this whole thing, the brainchild is my 14-year-old son. I'm just an unpaid actor having fun with my kid. He's trying to earn enough money to buy a Tesla. So we'll see how that works out for him. Might need a few 100,000 more subscribers. But anyways, back to the food. Here you go. I would say I'm almost done. It says like a minute to 90 seconds, so I'm gonna just flip these real quick. Another 30 seconds, and then we're gonna sample this. All you really need to do is heat it up. I'm gonna give it a taste test. 20 grams of protein. You know I'm a fan of that. Here we go. Hey, it tastes just like turkey. Oh my goodness. No, it's good. I mean, it tastes just like if you went like Thanksgiving turkey. A little bit of that herb. It's a citrus herb. I don't know if I taste a lot of the citrus in it, but I mean, it really tastes just like pretty much pure turkey. I taste just turkey. I don't taste a lot of the other flavor from the spices much, but yeah. I like it. I mean, it tastes exactly like I would expect. So for a side meal, yeah, I think you'll like it. You will not be disappointed. Don't want to cook it too long because I still have that. I still kept some juice in there to keep it moist. I didn't want to dry it out. I could see that being a potential problem. So do just as soon as it's heated up, probably you're good. You don't want to cook it too long. Okay, boys. So this is Ben, and this is Ben. These are two Bens, two of my boys, the CEO, right? Grayson, two of his buddies, and they're going to each sample this and then tell you what you think. Honest opinions, and give it a grade.
Out of the chicken I've had, it's like a 9. It's pretty good.
How about the turkey you've had? Because this is turkey.
Well,
you said chicken.
Tastes like chicken, but
oh, tastes like chicken, but it's turkey. All right, so Ben here thinks it tastes like chicken, but do you like the turkey that tastes like chicken?
I do.
You do, okay. So if your mom made this as a dish, you'd eat it all.
I would enjoy it, yeah.
You would enjoy it,
yeah.
Okay. Okay, Ben?
Something special.
Oh.
It just tastes like normal turkey, but I like turkey.
And okay.
It's like an 8.
So you're gonna give that an 8?
8. Okay,
Ben, where are you gonna fall there? What are you going to rate the chicken/turkey?
9.
Well, there you go, folks. So we've got an 8 and a 9. He likes the chicken turkey. He says it tastes just like turkey, which that's good because he likes turkey. And I'm actually going to go with you on that one because it tastes just like turkey. Just what turkey should taste like. So I like it. It was so easy to make. I think I like that a lot as well. So if I'm going to rate that in there as far as how easy it was, yeah, you guys can go if you want. I'm going to give it even a little higher rating. I'm going to give it like an 8.5. There you go, Jeff Pal, my buddy. I'm going to give it an 8.5 because it tastes just like it should, but it was quick, like super quick, and it'll be a great side dish. So there you go, everybody. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg. And again, remember to like, share, do all those things that we all ask you to do so my kid can get his Tesla. Have a good one.